Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta, where we will be discussing question.
How to balance AgCl plus NH4OH Ag NH3 2Cl plus H2O. Correct answer is, to balance the chemical equation AgCl plus NH4OH Ag NH3 2Cl plus H2O, follow these steps. Number 1. Balance the metals Ag on the left and right side are already balanced. Number 2. Balance the non-metals Cl on the left side has one atom, while on the right side there are two in Ag NH3 2Cl. 3. Introduce NH3 to balance Cl. Add a coefficient of 2 in front of NH4OH to balance Cl atoms. 4. Balance the nitrogen and hydrogen atoms. Now there are 2 nitrogen atoms and 3 hydrogen atoms on the right side. To balance them, add a coefficient of 2 in front of AgNH3 to Cl. The balanced chemical equation is 2GCl plus 2NH4OH AgNH3 to Cl plus 2H2O.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.